Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add a Google search bar to your home screen on iPhone. And this is very simple, but you need to do two things. The first thing is go to App Store, search here for Google, search, and make sure that you downloaded the Google app here, the most upper one, and make sure that you open this app for, let's say 3 seconds like this. Then we throw it away, and then we hold an app on our background, and then we do edit home screen. Don't allow, but we do edit home screen. Then right here we click on edit, and then we do add widget. And right now if we search here for Google, you will see here the Google app, and right now we can add this widget like this. So we have the fastest way to search now on your home screen, and we can do this by clicking on add widget. And right now if we do done, we can search here literally immediately when we click on it for something that we like. So this is exactly how you can add a Google search bar to your home screen. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.